Back with another one. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over if you invest $10,000 in Chiro at the current price, what your potential return would be. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Today on my channel, we're going to be doing the math on Chiro. If you invest $10,000 at the current price you see right now, you see 10 zeros and a 20, which is representation of $20 million in market capital. I'm going to show you how much your potential return would be if this coin loses a zero or loses 2 zeros. If it loses 1 zero, that would be $100 million in market capital. And if it loses 2 zeros, that'll be $1 billion in market capital. So I'm gonna do all of the numbers, show you how many shares you would get if you put in $10,000 right now at the current price, and show you your potential return on the way up to $1 billion in market capital. So we see right here on CoinGecko, you can enter in the amount you want to spend. Let's say $10,000, right? And we will get this many shares of Chiro. You go to the numbers to word calculator, and you calculate that. So for $10,000 right now in Chiro at the current price, you would get 500 trillion shares. 500 trillion shares, that's a lot. That's a lot of shares. And then we take that to the stock calculator. You enter in your number of shares right here. You enter in the price you bought it at. And then the number of months on, you can enter 1 right there. And then the price you sold. This is where you will play with the numbers to see your potential return. If it increases, you can see right now at the current price of Chiro, that's $10,000, right? Now, let's say we go to a $40 million market cap, right? $40 million market cap would take that $10,000 to $20,000, giving you a $10,000 profit from that. So we go to $50 million. $50 million will take that $10,000 to $25,000, giving you a $15,000 profit. Let's say we go to $60 million in market capital. $60 million in market capital, take that $10,000 to $30,000, giving you a $20,000 profit. Let's say we go to 80 million in market cap. 80 million in market cap. That $10,000 would turn into $40,000, giving you a $30,000 profit, right? In this calculator, I will have a link to it in the description. Y'all can use this calculator on your own and enter in your personal amount of shares, and you can track your progress that way also. So let's say we go to $90 million in market capital with this one. That $10,000 investment will turn into $45,000, giving you a $35,000 return. So let's say 100 million, which is very possible for this coin, very possible. That $10,000 will turn to $50,000, giving you a $40,000 profit from your investment. Let's say we go to 200 million, and this is where they project Chiro going like in a very short term. 200 million, right? At $10,000 will turn to $100,000, y'all, giving you a $90,000 profit, man. Beautiful. 300 million in market capital. 300 million in market capital will take that $10,000 to $150,000, giving you $140,000 in profit, man. You could buy Bitcoin, take profit out, and still trade with some money, right? All you gotta do is make the right investment early on. So $400 million market capital, $400 million market cap, that would take that $10,000 to $200,000, giving you a $90,000 profit. Wow. Giving you a $190,000 profit, man. Crazy. $500 million in market capital. $500 million in market capital would take that $10,000 to $250,000. And this is all right now at the current price of Chiro with a $20 million market cap and 10 zeros real early on this project. When this project was released 7 days ago. Real early on this project. Play the earn gaming. Right. $500 million market cap would take that $10,000 investment right now to $250,000. Let's say we get to 600 million. 600 million would take that $10,000 investment to $300,000, right? You will receive a profit of $290,000. Let's say we reach the all-time high of Mononoke, right? Mononoke, we reached the all-time high of Mononoke, Chiro, at $10,000 right now at the current price, invested with 500 trillion shares, right? Or if you just have 500 trillion shares, that would turn into $375,000, giving you a profit of $365,000. Now you might think, before we move on, you might think some of these numbers is crazy. It's not possible, but it really is. If you look at the circulating supply of Chiro, same circulating supply as Tsuzuki, same circulating supply as Mononoke. And Mononoke is when it's high. You know, even today, when it's high, it's 400 million in market capital. But right now, it's sitting at 200 million in market capital. And if Tsuzuki did that, you would see numbers. And if Chiro did that, you would definitely see numbers. So the all-time high for Mononoke was 750 million. So let's get back to the calculator. Let's say we go to 900 million. 900 million and take that $10,000 to $450,000, giving you a $440,000 profit, man. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Man, this is making me really want to buy some more coins. So if we get to $1 billion in market capital, $1 billion in market capital, a $10,000 investment right now will give you $500,000, a total profit of $490,000. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video on Chiro. This is if you was to invest $10,000, or if you invested real early and you got 500 trillion shares. This your potential return at the current price of Chiro, leading up to $1 billion in market capital. Just to remind y'all, if we lose 1 zero, that's 100 million in market capital. If we lose 2 zeros, that's $1 billion in market capital, right? For this coin right here. So that's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification. I appreciate all the support. I'm out.